Subtract the following fractions. Simplify our answer and write it as a proper fraction or as a whole or mixed number. 12 whole 2 over 5 minus 10 whole 4 over 5. Let me write this down here again so that we have enough space to work. Minus 10 whole 4 over 5. So by now you probably know that we can subtract the whole numbers first to make things easier. 10 subtracted from 12 gives us 2. So we have 2 wholes here, and we now need to find out the fraction that will follow this whole number. But the problem with that is, since we're subtracting 10 from 12, we have to subtract this fraction, which is 4 over 5, from 2 over 5. And if I do that, what I will have is a negative fraction. So 2 minus 4 gives us minus 2. We can't have 2 whole minus 2 over 5 as an answer. That is going to be mathematically incorrect. So what we now have to do is, instead of writing 2 over 5 here as a fraction, we need to subtract both of these. So we have to subtract 2 over 5 from this 2 whole that we have here. And to make things easier, I'm going to add 1 here in the denominator. Now to be able to subtract both of these fractions, we need to have a common denominator, and to get a common denominator, let's multiply this fraction with 5, which is the fraction for this, the denominator for this fraction, and let's multiply this fraction with 1, which is the denominator for the first fraction, which is this. So 5 multiplied by 2 gives us 10. This line is too long. And 1 multiplied by 5 gives us 5. And then we have 2 multiplied by 1, which is 2, and 5 multiplied by 1, which is 5 again. And now we can subtract both of these fractions since we have a common denominator. So both of these fractions share the same denominator, and now we have to subtract the numerators. So 10 minus 2 is 8. This is simple. However, this is not the right way to write down a fraction because this is improper. We need to convert this into a proper fraction, or in this case, a mixed number. So we're going to divide both of these, and 5 ones are 5, and we're left with a remainder of 3. So we have 1 as the whole number, and O for short. We have 3 as the numerator, and 5 will remain as a denominator. And we can now make a mixed fraction. So 2 minus 2 over 5 equals 1 whole 3 over 5. And this is our final answer.